Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. It's class name. Red color, yellow ochre color, green color, brown color, blue color, yellow color. Kids now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids first draw A for apple, A for ant, and use red color, the alphabets of A. Kids again use red color and draw B for ball, B for bat, the alphabets of B. Kids neither C for cat, C for car, the alphabets of C, and use yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw D for dog, T for doll, the alphabets of D. Kids neither E for egg, E for elephant, the alphabets of E, and use green color, E for egg, E for elephant. Kids again use green color and draw F for fish, F for fan, the alphabets of F. It's neither G for God, G for glass, the alphabets of G, and use brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw H for hand, H for helicopter, the alphabets of H. It's neither I for ice, I for ice cream, the alphabets of I, and use brown color. It's neither J for joker, J for jackfruit, the alphabets of J, and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw K for kite, K for king, the alphabets of K. Kids neither L for lion, the alphabets of L, and use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw M for moon, the alphabets of M. It's neither N for nest, N for nose, the alphabets of N, and again use red color. Kids again use red color and draw O for orange, O for octopus, the alphabets of O. Kids neither P for parrot, P for penguin, the alphabets of P, and use yellow ochre color. yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw Q. Q for queen. The alphabets of Q. Kids now draw R. R for rose. The alphabets of R. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw S. S for sun. The alphabets of S. It's neither T. T for teacher. T for tiger. The alphabets of T. And use brown color. Brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw U. U for umbrella. The alphabets of U. It's neither V. V for van. V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw W. W for wolf. The alphabets of W. Kids neither X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw Y. Y for yak. The alphabets of Y. Kids again use yellow color and draw Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. The alphabets of Z. Kids now draw numbers. And first you draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use red color. O N E 1. Kids again use red color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. T W O 2. It's neither 3. The numbers of 3. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. T H R W 3. Kids again use yellow color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. F O U R 4. Kids night 5. The numbers of 5. And use green color. Green color. F I V E 5. Kids again use green color and draw 6. The numbers of 6. S I X 6. Kids night 7. The numbers of 7. And use brown color. Brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. Kids night 9. The numbers of 9. And use blue color. Blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and last you draw 10. The numbers of 10. T E and 10. Kids today you draw A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for god, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for wolf, X for X-ray, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.